Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to set up our WRD PRO6 IS on this 2020 Mercedes GLS 450. First and foremost, we're going to take our two WRD base handling cups here, and we're going to set them like so. First one, when I set, is down below the bottom of the frit. Second one is a comfortable distance up from the other one. Closer or farther is up to you. I like mine a little bit further away because it gives me more control over the glass. Going to take our second set here. We're going to place this one with the hook right up at the top edge of the glass there. This one, we are going to set this up real quick and then explain. So I'm going to anchor this right here. What we are doing is we are aligning this screw here with the top edge of our pillar here, and then the top edge of this bar inside this mark here somewhere. The position on this bar left and right, and the position on this up or down, is going to vary based on the angle of the windshield. So if it's got more of a slope to it, or if it's more vertical, that is going to change that mark. That being said, you still want to be aligned with the top of the pillar with this, and the top of the bar with this mark. Where it is on here is not of dire importance. You just want it to be in that vicinity. So we'll anchor this, give you a good view here if I can. You should see this aligned with the top of the pillar again, top of this aligned with that. I'm going to take our bar here, place this again at the top of the glass here, thumb at the base where this bar meets the cup, rotate this 90 degrees. You want this to be as perpendicular as possible with the edge of the glass here. Does not have to be absolutely perfect, but you do want it close, because again, that will change the angle of the glass as you're setting it. Take that out so you don't trip on it or catch the glass as you're walking by, and hang it there. And that is setting up the WRD PRO6 IS on a 2020 GLS 450. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.